A very good day to Dr. Toon. My name is Harishwar Pillai, anak laki Sidamaram Pillai, matrix number S66238. And today I'll be presenting on the lab test presentation, which is to differentiate two fish species from the same genus. So in this presentation, I'll be covering on the scientific and local name of the fish species chosen, its main characteristics, its relation with habitat, and its differences. The genus selected for this lab test is Selar, and the species that I chose for this lab test is Selar chromanophthalmus and Selar bobs, where Selar chromanophthalmus is locally known as lolong jalo and Selar bobs is locally known as pelata kuning. So the main characteristics of these fishes are both of them have a fusiform body shape, its caudal fin shape is lunate, it has finnlets, it has scute, and its mouth structure is terminal. So what are the relation between these main characteristics with its habitat? Before I enter to that, I would like to highlight its habitat. Selar chromanophthalmus and Selar bobs live in coastal and reef areas, where coastal areas where coastal areas have strong tides and reef areas have coral reefs, rocks, and crevices. So the body shape is the main characteristics which help this fish survive in its habitat. For example, since these fishes have fusiform body shape, the fusiform body shape provides low friction, which allows both these fish species to swim against tide with ease. The lunate caudal shape allows this fish to swim fast because this caudal shape has a low surface area and resistance. The finlets, however, functions in directing water to the caudal fin, which increases the fin thrust, prevents them from rolling and reduce resistance. These key elements are required for these two fish species in order to survive in high tide areas such as the coastal areas. Next is the presence of scute. These fish species these fish species have a scute, which is a hard, bony external plate or scale, which provides stability and support to the caudal fin. Fishes living in strong tides depend on their caudal fin very much, and the presence of scute allows this fish provides this fish with stability and support. Next is the presence of terminal mouth structure. This mouth structure is located in front and it's pointing forward, which allows the fish to consume food in front or pick food from rocks and crevices. In coastal areas, the food is present in front of the fish, so the presence of terminal mouth allows them to eat the food in front of them. And these fish also lives in reef areas the reef where the reef areas are filled with rocks and crevices. This terminal mouth allows these fishes to pick up food in between rocks and crevices. So how are we going to differentiate these two fish species? So both of these fish species have almost uh, similar characteristics, but some minor changes helps us to differentiate them. So the first characteristics is the presence of yellow stripe. Both of these fish species have yellow stripe. However, Selar bob's yellow stripe is brighter compared to Selar chromanophthalmus. Both of these fish species also have black spots near at its operculum. However, Selar chromanophthalmus operculum black spot at the operculum is small and elongated compared to Selar bulbs. Next, the tip of the snout or Selar chromanophthalmus is dusky or black. However, the tip of the snout of Selar bulbs is similar to its body color. The scute, however, in Selar bulbs is large compared to Selar chromanophthalmus, where its scute is smaller. So that's all from me, doctor. Thank you so much for listening and have a nice day.